are back today with day 3, carrot ginger fusion. I'm a little nervous about this one, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I don't see many fruits in here. There is an apple. This looks like a lot of veggies going into one smoothie. And y'all know I like my food, I like my sugar. Everybody loves some good and hearty food, but this, it don't get no more real than this. This is healthy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of our ingredients. Okay, so for this recipe, you're gonna need 1.5 ounces of Swiss chard. A 1/2 inch of garlic, and we're going to go ahead and chop that. Ginger is very strong, so I'm just going to go ahead and use half of this. 5 ounces of organic carrots, that's about 2 of these bad boys, so we're going to chop these up. 1 apple. 1 packet of pea protein, and we also have this packet of acai powder. Lastly, we're going to top this off with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of ice.
Blending raw ginger into your smoothies is a great way to add a pop of spice to any recipe, as well as keep your blood sugar balanced. There is also evidence that consuming raw ginger on a daily basis may help increase calorie burn. Native to South America, acai berries may also help balance blood sugar and are bursting with antioxidants. Your immune system and skin are going to love this one.
You guys, I'm actually a little nervous about this one. This is not the most attractive color. You guys, these are real-time reactions. I'm not here to lie to you. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's like maybe with some strawberries. Might be a nice touch. I'm glad I didn't put the whole thing in ginger. If you do not like ginger, do not put the whole thing. Just literally put half. It's really good for you to put some of it. But yeah, don't put all of it because it'll definitely overpower things. Oh, my chicken! Wait, my chicken. No. My chicken. I can't let it burn. I can't let it burn. My meat. On a side note, y'all see this chicken? This chicken look good, don't it? Look at it sizzling.